Okay guys, so as you've seen on this trip, James and Aaron have surprised us with some of the world's largest objects. Today, it's me and Leah's turn for a surprise. You ready?
Yep. James, are you ready?
Okay,
Yes.
come on out.
This is what it feels like.
You can't see anything? No peeking, right?
Crazy, I'm so cold. Your hands are so...
All right, stand here.
Yeah.
All right, open your blindfolds. A giant Pepsi can.
Right! I'm adjusting to the light, I can't really see.
It's so cold out.
Wait,
I walked a mile away from the RV.
Wait, I don't understand. Isn't it just like part of the...
It's a giant can.
You talked this up for the last 24 hours.
Now you know what it feels like.
No, my surprise was good.
How did you even find that?
Almost forgot you guys. Next stop, Badlands.
Thanks, you two.
There's this. Whoever wants it. There's this. Right there. And sanitize me.
Well, let's get to the good stuff. For centuries, humans have viewed South Dakota's celebrated Badlands with a mix of dread and fascination. The Lakota knew the place as Makosika, both mean Badlands. Conversation writer Friedman Hilden described the region as peaks and valleys of delicate banded colors, colors that shifted in the sunshine.
I feel like it might end up being a short vlog today, kind of just like a montage. I didn't really do a lot of talking, kind of just wanted to let the scenery do the talking. It was about 5 hours from Sioux City to the Blacklands, so that was a pretty long drive this morning. It was very beautiful, very, very cold. It was really kind of a bummer because outside of Badlands, there's this store called Wall Drug. Off the bat, it sounds kind of just like a normal pharmacy, but it's actually this massive, massive store. The only thing around for miles. Started out in the Great Depression. They put up billboards saying free ice water at their store, and they've just kind of like kept growing ever since, and now it's this like massive 20,000 square foot giant warehouse, and they have like a restaurant and like a saloon, and I really wanted to go check it out. That would have been so fun, but due to COVID, we're not going to go inside of a store in South Dakota, which is one of the states with the highest cases of COVID right now. We're just not going to do it, but that would have been really cool. But either way, the national park was beautiful. We're settled in tonight at the campground here in Rapid City, and tomorrow morning we're on our way to Montana. She's pulling me really hard, so I gotta go. I'm gonna head back to the campground now and make dinner because Paris is pulling me.